Pre-screened offers, sometimes called as pre-approved offers, are based upon information in your credit report that indicates that you met their criteria. Usually, pre-screened solicitations come via mail, but you may also get either a phone call or an email. When you received a pre-screened offer, it means that the bank has done its homework. So basically, the issuer has done a background check on you and decided that you're an ideal applicant. That background check involves a look at any available personal information, including your credit history and borrowing history. Since the offers are well tailored, card approvals are almost guaranteed, although not necessarily for the headline interest rates and credit lines in the offer. There will be no inquiries on your credit report showing which companies obtained your information for pre-screening, but for those inquiries will not have a negative effect on your credit report or credit score. Removing your name from pre-screening list has no effect on your ability to apply or obtain credit or insurance. Whether to opt out or not. So some people prefer not to receive these kinds of offers in the mail, especially if they're not in the market for a new credit card or insurance policy. They may prefer to opt out to limit access to their credit report information for credit and insurance solicitations, or to reduce some mailbox clutter. As you consider opting out, you should know that pre-screen offers can provide many benefits, especially if you're in the market for a credit card or insurance. So pre-screen offers help you learn about what's available, compare costs, and find the better products for your needs. Because you are pre-selected to receive these offers, you can be turned down only under limited circumstances. The terms of pre-screen offers also may be more favorable than those that are available to the general public. In fact, some credit card or insurance products may be available only through these pre-screened offers. So is there a risk in getting pre-screened offers? While most guaranteed approvals for personalized offer may sound appealing, there is a downside. Pre-screened mailings can increase the threat of potential fraud. If an identity thief steals one of these offers from your mail or trash and fills it out using your personal information, perhaps lists another address, and mails it back, they are more likely to get approved for a card in your name. So you can go to the following website and follow the instructions on how to opt out for these pre-screened offers. This website is a central source for consumers to learn what kind of information data brokers have about them and how to exercise their opt-out choices.